All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be going over the all-purpose pliers with the crimper, and these are kind of expensive. These are pushing $47, I think, on Amazon, so not very cheap to say the least. But if it is replacing, 3, 4, 5 tools, then I would say that justifies it. But if you're just buying a normal pair of needle nose, they're probably like, 25 to 35, so you're probably spending an extra $10 to $20 at the least. But anyways, I'm gonna go over all the features here real quick. I'm gonna take this out of the package and go over this, but they are very, very similar, so I'm gonna be doing a comparison video to the hybrid crimping pliers another time, and comparing these two, so be on the lookout for that one right there. But today, this video is all about the all-purpose pliers with the crimper. So you're just gonna pull this apart. They make it really easy to open these, which I really appreciate. So these work pretty well so far. Don't really need to oil those up too much. They open up really nicely right there. So the main features on here, you can also read the back of the package or anything like that, in case you were wondering. So you got the needle nose right here, the long needle nose. You got the teeth. I don't even know if I'm on camera. So you got the long teeth right here. I don't know if this is going to focus. I think that's good. Okay, so you have the long teeth right here for needle nosing. And then you also have the stripper, which is 10 to 18 gauge. 10 to 18 solid right there. And then 12 to 20 stranded on the backside. So I really like that it has stranded on one side and solid on the other side, but also mainly used to having the numbers on both sides. So maybe that's good, maybe that's bad, maybe that's something that I'll have to get used to, but I kind of think that's cool, but maybe that might be annoying in the future, because it is kind of one-sided. And then you have the 632-832 shears. So that is for the holes right here. So one of these is for your 632, which is on the right, and your 832, which is on the left. You can see the numbers written on there. If this will focus. Is it not going to focus? There we go. So we have the 632 on the right and the 832 on the left. Screw those in, cut them, and then unscrew them out, and you will be good to go. Forged steel for maximum durability. Nobody cares, but we really appreciate that. And then the Crimps non-insulated connectors, lugs, and terminals. So that is going to be right here in the bottom, as you can see right there. Some linemen have these. The hybrids have these as well, but this is all just same thing as a normal crimper. So I think that's about it. So it does the needle nose, it does the stripping, also does the cutting right here, but most strippers do that already. So I wouldn't really call that like a lineman's or anything, or like a diagonal cutter, but it does needle nose, it does strip, it does cut, it does shear the screws right there, which a normal stripper usually does, and then it also does the crimping. So that is 5 features right there. So you could replace your needle nose and your strippers and a crimper if you wanted to do a kind of 3-in-1 situation. If you wanted to switch out 3 tools in your tool belt for that or whatnot, or however you carry your tools, so your needle nose, your strippers, and your crimper. So yeah, hopefully that helps you out. I think they're going to be a pretty handy tool. If you want to downsize, make sure you are carrying less weight around in your tools. As for me, I don't really crimp much, but if I needed to, it would be handy. So it would basically, personally for me, it would basically just be combining the strippers and the needle nose. So I might try them out at work, but I think it's a very cool tool regardless. I don't think I have any yellow handled Kleins, so that's besides just some basic stripper. So very, very cool. Actually, I do have the normal needle nose. But anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.